Why is it that nobody makes a creeper that I can reach the bottom of the wing? Oh wait, they do. There you go. Enjoy that. I'll start with the light one. All right. This one's a little bit heavier.
Might need my help.
Maybe. Good morning. We have a new tool that showed up the other day. This is going to be really helpful. It's a creeper, so if you can visualize, if I'm laying down here on a creeper, that doesn't really do me any good when I can't even reach the wing. So this creeper will actually lift and get me up so I can work on things under the wing of the airplane. So we're gonna take it out, put it all together, and see how it works. There's several versions of them, and we'll show it to you when we get it out. There's a mechanical one where you have to get up, off all the time and readjust. There used to be a hydraulic one that you could pump it and it would lift you. I'm spoiled. My wife let me buy this one. It runs off of a DeWalt motor and it has an electric actuator motor, and it lifts and lowers with an electric motor. Let's just simplify it. So it runs off a Milwaukee motor or battery, 18-volt battery, and we've already got that stuff, so I didn't have to buy that. Let's get this thing out and we'll show it to you.
Ooh, pretty blue.
So pretty. Packaged very well.
Yeah. Do you need my help to get it out of there?
No.
Okay.
So we have a parts. Oh, that's the tray. It has a tray that goes on it.
Do you have a cup holder?
I think I do. I think I do. Don't quote me, but I think.
That's cool.
Oh my goodness. It's definitely heavy duty. Okay.
Nice.
And it's got the 4-inch wheels on it. Don't want to scratch my creeper.
Matches my new hat.
Kimberly's new hat that she made. She didn't make the hat, but she did the embroidery on it.
Yep, that was fun.
So she was in Indiana. Well, we both were in Indiana last week. Just got home yesterday. And she was taking a sewing. She was on a little sewing vacation.
Yep. 3-day sewing class.
Yep.
It was really fun.
That was cool for her to do that.
Very inspiring.
So inspiring.
Yes.
SEW.
SEW.
Oh man, so clever.
So what's in this box?
Well, I think this is the backrest.
Oh, okay, so more of this. Wow, it didn't all fit in one box.
Nope. So, oh, I think, what do you think that is?
Oh boy.
When you get excited about a cup holder.
Yes, that's cool.
3D printed cup holder. So,
That's cool.
I'm not sure where that would go, but go right there if you wanted to. I know that this probably seems excessive, but I've had neck surgery and I have back issues, so anything that I can do to help those two items, I'm gonna do, I guess. So yeah, this was not cheap, but is what it is. Got a pillow too. I'll get this so it looks like that just fits on there, and then you bring it down and then put the bolts in.
Ah.
So yeah, we'll get
okay.
the right tools and we'll get this hooked up.
What are you doing? You hanging out in the truck? It's not fun.
So we found another cup holder. So I guess one could be a cup holder and one could be like, could hold bolts and screws and that sort of thing. 7/16. 7/16, is that the same as 11 millimeter?
I don't know.
I think it is. So it's probably metric.
Is this a made in the USA thing?
Ooh, I think it is, but don't quote me on that. I don't know for sure. Okay,
That is cool.
parts.
I have a pillow.
Yep. Let's get some batteries. One battery. All right. This is like going to the amusement park, I think. Hang on. I could just take a nap. Okay, so power button. Doesn't work. I might have to read the instructions. Safety notice. Safety button. Use caution. Okay, so what it does is there's a safety button. So in case something hits this switch, it won't move on you. You have to hit the safety button and the switch at the same time.
Oh.
So let's see if it goes.
There's the switch.
Hang on, let me turn around for you.
There's this button.
Okay,
Okay.
ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh.
Huh? Check this out. Check this out. Oh, I need to work on this? Okay.
Oh, how nice.
Huh? That
For
is awesome.
cleaning, that's going to be
Cleaning
awesome
this.
for cleaning.
How does it go? Now, technically, they don't want you to adjust it while you're under here. They don't want you to smash yourself up against the
Oh.
equipment. But yeah, and then you can go all the way down. Watch your fingers. I don't think your fingers can get pinched there. I would think they would have thought of that. Whoa! All right, so now I can work on things. That's cool.
That is cool. And then you can raise it so you can just stand up and get off.
Well, and then when it's lunchtime, I can just say, "Honey, is lunch ready?" I can eat right here. See? And then I can roll around. So anyway, seriousness. The 4-inch wheels are going to be awesome. Rolls really nice.
As long as the floor is cleaned.
As long as floor's clean and we don't have little pebbles or seeds. That usually what gets us is little seeds. So anyway, we're yeah, that's it on this. Super cool tool to have in our toolbox. I don't think it'll fit in the toolbox, but yeah, that's going to be really good because, you know, to get under there, even on your hands and knees, and then you're turning up like this, I can't. See, I got a little thing here on my neck. That kind of prevents me from doing a lot of twisting like that. So I've got decent movement side to side, but it really bothers when I have to do this a lot. So.
And if you want to continue to work when we're our age, you got to make things happen so that you can.
We're not getting any younger, so as we get older, we have to find things that make work easier, I guess.
Work smarter, not harder.
Correct. That's just a short video on our new little toy here. The inspection on this airplane is all done. We are cleaning panels, both sides of the panels, and then putting the panels back on. The filters are like a K&N filter, so they've been washed and they've been drying for the last 6 days, so I just need to put a film of oil on them and put one of those filters back in, and then I can close up on the engine compartment and continue working on getting this thing buttoned up. But anyway, that's it for this video. So nice little short one, but definitely a nice creeper to have for working under wings or working under things that are higher. You know, if you're just going to be rolling under a vehicle all day long where you can reach it, something like this isn't necessary. But for under airplane wings, this is pretty necessary. Catch you guys later.